We have the DJI Phantom 3 standard drone, which we've had for a little over a year now, hooked up with an Apple 5S for the controller computer. And standard equipment, no extra range extenders or any circuitry or modifications have been done to this. We're going to take off heading north and do a range test, not an altitude test, just a low-level range test of how far away it will go before experiencing interference and loss of signal and having to bring it back. So we're going to do this because we bought a range extender and we want to compare the before and after flight performance with the range extender. Alright, the drone is returning and we made it 1,650 feet?
Yep, before it had, that was the farthest it would let me go, but that was the farthest it would let me go because that's the max distance allowed on these, but the signal was a little spotty, but now I'm going to put on my
range extender
and we were going to see how well it works, and I'll show you exactly how this works. Hold my phone down. Easy, simple to use. It actually slides on with the little ridge there. Goes down on antenna here. Slide it all the way down, or not all the way down, but fold it up.
Oh, there you go.
Then slide it all the way down, and then you're ready to go.
And this is going to theoretically reflect the signal better and amplify the signal pointing toward the drone.
Make it easier to work.
So that won't actually let it
go further, no.
Go further because your controller's locked in at a certain distance?
Yeah.
I see only one light on the battery.
Yep.
It might return to home before you get out that far. Go to the right more so you're not going toward that tower. There you go.
If I can. Alright. Are we filming?
Yeah, it's going weird directions.
I'm just going to fly this way. I don't have much battery left, but I'm just going to wing it.
Altitude holding steady?
We're up at 150 feet.
Alright.
Signal on the battery shows full. And we're just a cooking. We're going far. Yes, my controller is low. If you can hear it beeping in the video, I'm sorry, but...
The controller's low?
No, my battery on the drone.
Oh.
And we hit maximum distance, 1650.
Okay.
With no spottiness on the controller at all.
Nice, good, solid signal compared to before?
Yeah, very solid. It's used to it before at that feet. Used to would that's actually the market right there, I think. That's the recycle center.
Oh, okay. Well, bring it home before we, we'll run out of battery.
Critically low.
But it should return home automatically, shouldn't it?
Not when I override it.
Don't override it. Get it home here.
Oh, don't worry. I'm getting it home. 11 seconds left on the battery.
I don't even hear it.
Critically low battery. Should see it. Should see it. There it is.
Where?
Right there.
Get it down lower so it doesn't crash.
See how it's lowering itself?
Oh, is it?
It's so low, it's lowering itself.
Oh, okay, good.
I'm at 8% battery right now.
Oh, that's not bad. I thought it was worse than that.
No, no. At this point, when it's this low, and if you still need to get home, you can still go up.
I see.
It just really doesn't like it.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've never flown until 0, so if you want to try.
I don't.
You don't want to...
They really have these things well engineered with the software and the automatic controls on it to make it almost foolproof when you're flying these things. It's really
hard to crash one.
It is hard to crash one if you're doing things the right way.
I should hover above the ground until it hits 0, see what it does.
If you want to.
You can stop filming.
Yeah, we've never done it before, but we decided to fly it right till it got to 0. And you can see it hovering at the end of the video here when we were getting ready to shut it off a second ago.
We were only about 4 feet up.
Yeah, we kept it going till it went counted down like 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And it literally dropped out of the sky.
Yep, the propeller stopped and it just came crashing down.
So if you're high up and you want to try to fight it to 0 and you have 3% left, you better be hiking it down because it's going to just fall.
Yep, if you're bringing it home on almost 0 battery, get the thing as low to the ground as you can, or else it's going to come down on its own.
Well, that's interesting to know. At least you know, a lot of people would think, oh, it's getting a 0, will automatically land no matter what, you know. But no, it will land. It will go until it has no battery.
But the automatic return to home function, if it's turned on, will measure how far it is from you, and it thinks it has a dangerous level of battery, will come back to you automatically, won't it?
Yes, it does. And I just said no, just because honestly, you can fly home and land it quicker than using that function. So if you want to be quicker about it, but if for the safe user, you can definitely just push the return to home function and it will work.
Yeah, that's why I like the DJI. Everything's programmed in for automated use and safety and ease of flying. And if you choose to stay within their parameters, it's super easy to fly without crashing or getting in any trouble.
And here's our range extender. Highly recommend for $7. It made the picture, it didn't spot, it didn't hovering low to the trees, it didn't lose video and was gritty. It was really good for $7 off Amazon, which we actually got for free from doing jobs off JobSpotter, taking pictures of hiring signs in your area. Check the link in the description below on how to make free Amazon money. That's how we bought it. $7. Works great. Would highly recommend.
All right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.